Today will be live recording, so it is also going to be a study in human psychology of how our behavior changes. We will be reviewing a film that we were all trying to figure out who to blame, that we were to watch. What's it called?
Virata Parvam.
Virata Parvam. Reviewing Blackbird, which is the new series on Apple TV, and we shall be reviewing Koffee with Karan.
Abhinandan's notes are 2 words. Saw it.
So this is totally on that book. James
आप थी
Keen.
वहाँ, आप जेल में थी.
James Keen
अच्छा,
is the
it was
guy.
for the criminally insane.
No, it's not by him.
That explains
It's
why.
what?
You ever say that I'm busy?
I
I'm going
wanted
to kick you in
to
the
tell
shin.
you.
Like, you know, I'm so busy. Oh, you're not the only one who's busy. What are you doing? What left, baby?
There's a scene which, they take a bullet out of his bum.
Yeah.
And I cried in that because it just touched me so much that his ex-girlfriend saw. I saw Guru Randhawa has a video. Okay, it was going on in the parlor. And there was a man, I thought this is like, Cash Price Pitbull. And then I realized, Pitbull has done a video.
Like a film or not? I mean, I'll start with, in my case, that if it has Shah Rukh or Deepika, it starts with out of 10 plus 5, 6, 7.
And I like films where someone dies at the end, like in the
Mid-odds, like 2015 or so, television has done well. Television continues to, I think, still be...
So the last decade was the period.
Say 80s was a very good decade for TV at least, even in India, even abroad.
Everything about the 80s. The music, like the Madonnas and the Michael Jacksons peak.
Someone like Shah Rukh Khan, Tom Cruise, their best work, I think, were in that period.
So if you look at Sahi Paranjpe, all the films of Sahi Paranjpe, I think, and Basu Chatterjee was there, and Rishikesh Mukherjee also made a lot of
In the 70s, mainly because of the music. So you had Led Zeppelin, you had Pink Floyd, metal was getting off the ground in the UK, you had Black Sabbath, Iron Maiden coming along in 75, 78.
जिगर को थाम के बैठो अपने जिगर को के बांधी कमरिया से साड़ी के आई अब आंटी की बारी so look up this thank you Miss Rathore, thank you Miss Sen,
Thank you, Mr. Sekhri.
and it's a wrap.